Your kidneys are essential organs, tirelessly working 24/7 to filter your blood, removing toxins and excess fluids. Surprisingly, the beverages you consume play a significant role in their efficiency. While some drinks cleanse and detoxify your kidneys, promoting optimal function, others can strain them, potentially leading to chronic kidney diseases. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 7 scientifically proven drinks that naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. These beverages not only offer delicious flavors, but also provide substantial benefits for kidney health and overall well-being. By incorporating these drinks into your daily diet, you'll witness remarkable improvements in your kidney health. Let's delve into the science behind these beverages and discover how they can support your kidneys' vital functions, promoting a healthier you. Number 1. Water. Water, often overlooked in its simplicity, emerges as the cornerstone of kidney health, boasting unparalleled significance. As the principal constituent of blood, water acts as a conduit, ferrying oxygen, nutrients, and waste products to and from cells, facilitating kidney filtration. Insufficient hydration leads to blood thickening and concentration, impeding kidney function and elevating the risk of kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and renal damage, potentially culminating in kidney failure. Moreover, water serves as a vital regulator of blood pressure and body temperature, both crucial for optimal kidney performance. Determining optimal water intake hinges on various factors such as age, activity level, climate, and health conditions. However, a widely accepted guideline suggests consuming a minimum of 8 glasses of water daily. By adhering to this hydration standard, individuals fortify kidney health, ensuring efficient filtration and mitigating potential complications, thereby underscoring water's indispensable role in fostering overall well-being. Number 2. Unsweetened green tea. Unsweetened green tea, derived from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, stands out as a potent elixir for kidney health. Unlike black or oolong tea, green tea undergoes minimal oxidation, preserving its natural color and flavor. Its benefits for the kidneys are manifold. Kidneys, like any other organ, are susceptible to damage from free radicals and inflammation. Free radicals, unstable molecules, wreak havoc on cells, fostering chronic diseases, including chronic kidney disease, CKD. Green tea, rich in epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a powerful antioxidant, combats free radicals and quells inflammation in the kidneys. Numerous studies attest to EGCG's efficacy in preventing and even treating CKD. Moreover, green tea's astringent and diuretic properties augment kidney health by bolstering urine production and expelling toxins from the body. Notably, green tea's ability to inhibit the formation of calcium oxalate crystals in urine reduces the risk of kidney stones. Optimal preparation is crucial to harness green tea's benefits fully. Consuming it unsweetened is paramount, as additives like sugar or honey can diminish its efficacy. Enhance its flavor with a dash of lemon juice or a cinnamon stick. Recommended intake for adults ranges from 3 to 5 cups daily, delivering approximately 250 to 500 milligrams of EGCG. In summary, unsweetened green tea emerges as a formidable ally in promoting kidney health. Its potent antioxidants, coupled with its diuretic properties, offer multifaceted protection against kidney damage and disease progression. By incorporating this refreshing beverage into your daily routine, you not only savor its delightful taste, but also fortify your kidneys against potential ailments, underscoring green tea's status as a cornerstone of renal wellness. Regular consumption of green tea not only supports kidney health, but also contributes to overall well-being. Its numerous health benefits extend beyond kidney function, encompassing improved cardiovascular health, enhanced metabolism, and strengthened immune function. With its low-calorie and high antioxidant content, green tea serves as a wholesome beverage choice for individuals seeking to maintain optimal health. Embracing the tradition of green tea consumption not only delights the palate but also nurtures the body, fostering vitality and longevity. Number 3. Black coffee. Coffee lovers rejoice, as your favorite brew not only delights the senses, but also boasts remarkable benefits for kidney health. Numerous studies have revealed that regular consumption of black coffee can mitigate the risk of kidney stones and acute kidney injury. But how does this seemingly magical elixir achieve such feats? Let's delve into the science behind it. A study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases analyzed genetic data from hundreds of thousands of individuals, uncovering a compelling correlation between increased coffee intake and a reduced risk of kidney stones. Elevating daily coffee consumption from 1 cup to 1.5 cups slashed the risk of kidney stones by a staggering 40%. Additionally, research conducted by Johns Hopkins Medicine unveiled another noteworthy finding. Individuals who consumed at least 1 cup of coffee daily exhibited a 15% lower risk of acute kidney injury compared to non-coffee drinkers. The key to coffee's kidney protective properties lies in its rich composition of antioxidants and caffeine. These compounds exert potent anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects, enhancing blood flow and oxygen utilization within the kidneys. By bolstering renal function and prolonging filtration efficiency, coffee helps safeguard against injury and disease. However, not all coffee concoctions are created equal. Individuals with kidney disease must exercise caution and opt for black coffee over varieties laden with high potassium or high phosphorus milk or sugary additives. Moderation is paramount, as excessive consumption may pose risks, particularly for those with a genetic predisposition for slow caffeine metabolism, potentially increasing the likelihood of kidney dysfunction. In summary, black coffee emerges as a delightful and kidney-friendly beverage choice, offering a blend of flavor and health benefits. By incorporating this beloved brew into your daily routine in moderation, you can savor its rich taste while nurturing your kidneys. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your coffee consumption habits. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to show your appreciation by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon for more insightful content. Number 4. Low-sugar smoothies. Low-sugar smoothies offer a nutritious and delicious way to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your diet, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These beverages are not only filling but also satisfy sweet cravings without adding excessive calories. However, it's crucial to be mindful of smoothie ingredients that can potentially harm kidney health, such as high sugar, potassium, phosphorus, and calorie content. To create a kidney-friendly smoothie, begin with a base of unsweetened Greek yogurt and low-fat milk. Next, add fresh or frozen berries like blueberries or strawberries, which are rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals in the body. Additionally, these berries are low in oxalate and high in citrate, a substance that helps prevent kidney stones by binding with calcium in urine and inhibiting crystal formation. Enhance the smoothie's nutritional profile by incorporating hemp or flax seeds for added plant-based protein. These seeds not only contribute to satiety but also offer essential nutrients for overall well-being. By combining these kidney-friendly ingredients, you can enjoy a tasty and nourishing smoothie while promoting optimal kidney health. Remember to enjoy smoothies in moderation as part of a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific dietary concerns or kidney-related issues. Number 5. Unsweetened cranberry juice. Unsweetened cranberry juice, derived from berries native to North America and Europe, is renowned for its prowess in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if untreated, can pose risks to kidney health. Cranberries contain compounds known as proanthocyanidins, which hinder bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, thereby reducing the likelihood of infection. Studies, including one published in Food and Function in 2019, suggest that cranberry supplementation can slash UTI risk by 32% in individuals with chronic kidney disease, potentially mitigating kidney damage and scarring induced by infections. Moreover, unsweetened cranberry juice boasts antioxidant properties that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in the progression of chronic kidney disease. While cranberry juice offers promising benefits for kidney health, it's essential to seek guidance from a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine. This precaution is especially crucial for individuals with high blood potassium levels, diabetes, or allergies, as cranberry juice may not be suitable for everyone. Additionally, it's advisable to limit intake to no more than half a cup per day to minimize potential adverse effects. By heeding these precautions and consulting with a medical expert, individuals can harness the potential benefits of unsweetened cranberry juice while safeguarding kidney health. Number 6. Lemon water. Lemon water, a refreshing concoction of water infused with fresh lemon juice, offers a simple yet potent elixir for kidney health. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, lemon water provides versatility to suit individual preferences. Some may opt to enhance its flavor with a touch of honey, sugar, or salt, balancing the tartness of the lemons to their liking. But how does this tangy beverage benefit your kidneys? Lemons are rich in citric acid, which plays a pivotal role in kidney stone prevention by elevating urine pH and volume. This mechanism dilutes the concentration of waste products in urine, aiding in the prevention of stone formation. Moreover, lemon water aids kidney function by facilitating blood cleansing and toxin elimination, contributing to overall detoxification. In addition to its kidney-supportive properties, lemon water offers hydration and a potent dose of vitamin C, a formidable antioxidant that safeguards cells against free radical damage. To prepare lemon water, simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water and consume it in the morning or throughout the day. However, it's essential to be mindful of potential dental concerns, as the acidity of lemon juice can erode tooth enamel, increasing sensitivity and susceptibility to cavities. To mitigate this risk, consider drinking lemon water through a straw, rinsing the mouth with plain water after consumption, or brushing teeth with fluoride toothpaste. By embracing these precautions, individuals can harness the benefits of lemon water for kidney health while safeguarding dental hygiene. Number 7. Red grapes. While not technically a beverage, red grapes boast juiciness that earns them a place among kidney-friendly foods. Laden with resveratrol, a potent antioxidant, red grapes offer formidable protection against kidney damage stemming from conditions like diabetes, obesity, or inadequate blood supply. Additionally, they are naturally low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, minerals that individuals with kidney disease must monitor in their diet. The National Kidney Foundation recommends incorporating a glass of grape juice or at least 15 grapes into daily consumption to reap the benefits. These recommendations underscore the significance of red grapes in promoting kidney health alongside other recommended beverages. In conclusion, the 7 highlighted drinks offer not only palatable options but also significant benefits for kidney health, as supported by research. However, moderation remains crucial, and individuals should consult with healthcare professionals before altering their dietary or fluid intake. The impact of beverages on kidney function underscores the importance of mindful consumption and underscores the adage that what you drink is as vital as what you eat. Share your experiences with these drinks or suggest other healthy alternatives in the comments below. Your input is valuable in fostering discussions on kidney health and overall well-being. If you enjoyed the video, please support us by hitting the like and subscribe buttons.